Welcome to an Eagle Nebula video. May I have your attention, please? What you're about to see is gonna be fucking weird.
You gonna go to that blue AK? It's over here.
Oops. What?
It's blue AK right here. Oh
yeah.
shit, we got a bunch of guys breaking through the shit.
Okay.
Don't let him dart you, don't let him dart you. We're out of his range, we're out of his range.
I'm ready.
Guy up top.
Yep.
Oh shit, I'm reloading.
We got this. I'm gonna heal up real quick.
Yep. Shit, we gotta get...
I gotta do this, so. I gotta do this. I gotta live. I wanna live.
Oh shit.
Keep yourself alive, dude. Or come back.
Woo!
You got this?
God, I'm so good.
You're so good, man. You're so good.
Kids
you got
can't
this.
even handle me, bro.
Nah. How they gonna try, bro? Let's go.
I'll go Eagle again if you want. Or no, it's a little late. You can go Super Animal Farm.
Let's just go straight in, man. Right now.
We should have dropped earlier then.
Oops. Nah, you never wanted to do that. It makes it too easy.
Well, no, I mean like, cause we should have dropped earlier than arced in instead of having to wait for us to hit the ground. Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Do I hear somebody?
I got a thing over here for you. There's armor.
Sweet.
Oh shit! Yep.
Oh, you motherfucker! You wanna go? You wanna go? Come on! They're coming around.
He's trying.
Yeah, he's trying. I'm reloading. Another one. Oh, got him a few times, but only had like 2 shots.
Okay, I'm looping around.
All right, got one.
Okay. Hey, that's Glitter.
Oh, glitter and litter.
Yeah, where's Glitter?
Oh, did you not get the other one? 'Cause
No,
that
I
one
didn't
died
get.
instantly.
I think the other one. Oh, he did. Okay, then I guess I did. Where does it show me my kills? Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go.
Oh shit.
They don't give you much looting time in this game. Oh, I got a guy outside.
2 of them.
I knocked him. Nice.
Yep, got him.
I'm gonna grab that
I just
sniper.
kept firing on that one. I knew I was gonna have to.
Alright, let's get out of here.
I got a. All right, let's go. I do want to fucking heal though, man. Real quick.
Okay, go for it.
Why is
You
it
got
not letting
time.
me? It's not letting me though. Q.
It's not?
I'm pressing Q. No.
Just tap it. Try just tapping it. Are you not enough stuff?
No. Oh, well, maybe I don't have enough to take it.
Yeah.
Then. Okay. Some right here.
There's some over here too.
No, it's still not working.
Huh.
I know.
Alright, you're not even low, dude. You don't have any damage.
Oh.
You're not wounded.
Does it go up over time or? Oh, I was
don't
looking
know.
at yours. At one point. But I do
you need duct tape. You need duct tape.
Yeah, I just got one right now.
Okay, good.
Let's keep the outside anyways. Oh shit, right here. 2 on me.
I'm coming. I'm
Two
coming.
on
I'm
me.
coming.
They're wrecking me.
I got one.
I'm gonna heal.
Oh my god, these kids don't even stand a chance. Give me that Tommy gun. I now have a Tommy gun.
Did they have a fucking? Oh, I got another. God, they keep landing on me. Fucking motherfuckers.
Oh shit, that hit me for quite a bit.
Oh, top. I'm out of ammo.
Dude, he got me! Some random guy sniped me.
Ammo.
Holy shit, there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, I hear that doggy. Alright, he's slapping the mirrors around, boy. He trying to get
Oh, there's people in here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Actually, I'm gonna keep the science pistol. I'm playing all stealth. Well, there's me in here, so don't forget about that.
Yeah, but I was looking at the guy.
Oh, okay. Because I was like, I thought you were like, somebody's taking the guns out of this, and I was like, yeah, that's me.
No, we looked at each other and then we just kind of like.
Yeah. You guys shared like a gentleman's salute, like.
Yeah, Yeah, we're not ready. There's another level 3 armor down here, though.
I'm coming.
I mean, because I already got one, bro.
Coming.
Whoa, and a couple purple guns for me, you know?
Oh, nice.
You know. Just because I knew this is where to go. I've been coming here for years.
I've been coming here for years. This place actually does have pretty good loot. I guess I will take the purple sniper over the dart gun.
Yeah, I left that for you.
Oh, really? You didn't care to mention that though. So
Well,
shows your heart wasn't in it.
I told you all that shit was down here.
You said a couple purple guns, and I was like, oh, okay. Okie
That's
doke.
what I said, bro. I thought you would know, man. What am I gonna call out to you?
Probably Deagles and my mom.
Yeah.
How do I have a? Oh. Look at that health juice.
All right. I think I'm gonna throw this. Right here.
Yep. Oh,
Alright,
dude, I stole that from you. Oh, shit, oh, shit,
what?
oh, shit, what?
Help! Help me!
Oh, you're getting tranquilized.
Yeah.
Stop moving, stop moving. Oh, shit.
No.
Don't let them finish you, please. You're kidding me! How thirsty are these kids? Jesus Christ. I've never seen anybody in any game want a kill that bad.
Yeah.
Dude. Now I'm playing angry and I'm popping off.
I'm gonna play good, man. I'm gonna have a little bit of energy boost, man.
You hear that sound?
Yeah. It's like the fire.
Oh. I'm gonna go kill
I
these
hear
guys.
that too. Damn. He was trying to.
Let me heal.
Oh shit. You're not gonna be up at 11, dude?
What do you mean?
11's when we're supposed to judge the competition and shit, dude.
Oh, no, I'm not gonna be up. Oh, shit. Come on.
That's
Okay, I got one off.
bro. Holy shit, man.
No!
Ooh.
Oh! Dude! No. Dude! Do you see the feed?
No, I was writing. I didn't know you were doing good.
Dude! I won! Last game, 12. 12 kill bomb. Oh my god. I just won for us. Hey, if you liked that video, please like and subscribe. And if you haven't already, check out my other videos. Anyways, thanks for watching.